There are several reasons why a person may choose to create a read-only user in SQL Server. Security. By creating a read-only user, you can restrict access to sensitive data and prevent unauthorized modifications. This is especially useful when you have data that should be strictly controlled and not modified by regular users. Compliance and auditing. In certain industries or regulatory environments, there may be requirements to maintain an audit trail of all data modifications. By creating a read-only user, you can ensure that data remains unaltered and preserve its integrity for compliance purposes. Reporting and analytics. A read-only user allows users or applications to access the database solely for reporting or analytics purposes. This can offload the processing burden from the primary database and improve performance for both transactional and reporting workloads. Data replication. When setting up data replication between servers, it is common to create a read-only user on the subscriber side to ensure that replicated data remains consistent and cannot be modified on the replica. Application integration. Some applications or services may require read-only access to the database to retrieve information or perform data analysis without the need to modify the underlying data. Creating a read-only user facilitates this integration while ensuring data integrity. By creating a read-only user, you can provide controlled access to your SQL Server database, enhance security, meet compliance requirements, optimize performance, and enable specific use cases that involve read-only access to the data.
loving you.